Our first panelist on panel one is Paul Mankiewich. He's the Chief Technology Officer for North America of Alcatel-Lucent. He's responsible for all technical solutions and vision for customers in North America, with his team focusing on network architecture, solutions, standards, proof of concept demonstrations, and new applications. He was previously CTO and Chief Architect for Lucent, and he's had a 24 career there at Lucent in a variety of positions, really helping that organization be the global innovation leader it long was. So Paul, we'll turn to you first, please.
Wow, so this is interesting. Usually the plumber, which is what I am, goes last. So this is a bit of a turn of events here, but that's great. So thank you. I think you all know what we do as a company, so I won't bore you with that. But what I will say is that we do believe very strongly that that there is, whether you call it Exaflood or an incredible explosion of use of the networks that we've put in, it's very astounding at how fast things are growing. One application was video. What I've learned over the years is no matter what we do on the network side from a plumbing point of view, whether it be wireless or wireline, the minute we think we've got things under control, new applications come and blow us out of the water again. So we're presently at a point where one of the key things that we want to stress going forward and continuously is the issue around network management, to be able to manage the traffic in the network. At one point we thought we had infinite capacity on the wireline side of the network, and we just, there's fiber and copper to the homes and we have plenty of capacity. Don't worry about the traffic. Don't manage the traffic, just keep adding it on. And that's, unfortunately, we've blown that out. And so one of the key issues, key things that we're going to have to do, much like we do on wireless networks today, where we manage very carefully the way the air interface is used to get the maximal efficiency, shall we call it bits per second per hertz, we're going to have to treat the wireline network the same way to make sure that we get the maximal efficiency so that we can keep providing the services that we see exploding there. If we just let it go willy-nilly, we will run into congestion problems. We are running into congestion problems. We have applications that try and figure out their fastest array around the network, and then I build routers that try and catch those applications and then remanage the network. So we've got things that are working against each other that should be working in concert in the future in the network. So fundamentally, without using too much time, if there's one key thing that we're going to need going forward is a much more management on the actual resources of the network, so we use them as efficiently as possible.